Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and today we are blow drying my hair with the Revair. It's quite heavy actually, but it's kind of like a hair vacuum. So this is the high heat setting and this is the low heat setting. And the numbers right here are the speed. So before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. My hair is already washed, deep conditioned, and detangled, so don't mind my ends. We're about to get started. I'm going to start with the very back. So I'm going to untwist. And I have a very small comb, but it's already detangled. I'm going to spray a little bit because I know before using the Revair that your hair needs to be a little damp. Very smooth, like look at this. I forgot to get my heat protectant, so let me get that real quick. I don't know if I should leave it this flat or get it flatter. I don't know. Well, look at the hair. I think this is enough. Yeah, I think this is enough. Put this back up, and we're gonna go on to the next section. Is the next one. I use the speed setting 6 and 7 on high. This is a pretty large section. I might break this into 2. and see how flat my roots are? My roots are looking very flat. Just putting in the hair grease. And I'm just twisting it back. One thing I love about the Revair is that it's very fast. I only had it on that one section for a minute and it's completely flat. So, very convenient. I am loving the thickness and volume of my hair. I'm going to show you how it looks combed out. I love the Revair. I get smoother results. It's quicker than the average blow dryer, and I experience less breakage. Definitely worth it. Hey guys, that is all. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.